Today I want to talk about the Moman Mini Tripod. This is a great product available in two configurations from Amazon, either with the tripod alone or with the Ballhead option. This is a great mini tripod. It's all aluminum construction, solid as a rock. Each leg has slots in it so you can strap the legs to a post or a tree or whatever you need to secure it. It also has 1/4-inch mounting screws, 2 per leg, so you can attach an articulating arm or a light kit or a field monitor or whatever it is you may want to attach to it as well, in addition to the camera unit or whatever it is you've got attached to the tripod itself. The twist of the top of the tripod releases the legs, and you can almost go perfectly flat or just manipulate each of the legs depending on the terrain or whatever you need to do to make it stable. Twist the top of the tripod and it locks the legs into a standard tripod configuration. This is a solid unit. Manufacturer says it'll hold 176 pounds or 80 kilograms. That's a lot of weight, especially for a mini tripod. But given the all aluminum construction, it's definitely feasible. I don't know if I would I would try it. The top of the tripod comes with a 1/4-inch or 3/8-inch convertible mounting bolt at the top, so you can mount just about anything to it without needing to fuss with alternate bolts or adapters. Option 2 is to order the tripod with the Moman Ballhead. Now, the Ballhead itself isn't great, but this option also includes the travel case and the straps. So for the extra $25 or $30, it's a great option considering what you get. The Ballhead itself isn't great for video. It's not very fluid. It's pretty lightweight, but if you had a small DSLR, mirrorless, or GoPro or something like that, and you wanted to set it up for a time lapse or to vlog with or whatever the case may be, then the Ballhead's good for that. It's not going to pan, it's not going to be great for video, so you may want to consider something else, but for the price, the tripod and Ballhead options still a pretty good deal. Is the Moman Mini Tripod better than the Manfrotto Pixie options? I would say they're different. The Manfrotto, I think, still feels a little nicer in your hands. It's lighter weight, but it's also lighter weight, not as durable, not as sturdy. So depending on the size of the rig you've got on it, the Manfrotto might get tested, whereas this product would be able to handle just about anything you can throw at it. All in all, this is a solid purchase. It's a great price. I provided some links at the bottom for both the tripod on its own and tripod with the Ballhead and carry case option. So take a look. I think it's a great deal. Depending on your need, you just can't go wrong. This is as solid as it gets.